Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over the SoundCloud Premier Monetization, how much you get paid from SoundCloud when you decide to monetize your tracks. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to your boy Yon World below. Now, we're going to get straight into it. This is my SoundCloud profile, Yon World. Make sure y'all go follow me. About, January 1st or December 31st, around that time, SoundCloud emailed me asking me that I want to join the pro level because now they paying people. So I decided to pay the $8, and I had got started. It was around January 8th. I got started, and my first month I did 150,000 streams. Now I'm gonna show y'all how much they paid me because they just paid us out this morning. Today is February 22nd, and how it works: if you release something today, you're not gonna get paid for it until 45 days from now. So whatever you release right now, it's a 2-month wait period on your earnings. So my 2 months, or my first little month, has passed, and this is what I did in my first month. And this is how much I got paid. $100, $97.40 to be exact. But you can see it came from SoundCloud operations. What time they sent it? It was around 5 a.m. Eastern time. But this the song. Let me play this song for y'all. But y'all can go on my SoundCloud, check out Yon World Voices. $100. And just to give you a comparison, if I would have got 158,000 streams on Apple, that's almost $1,000, if not over $1,000. Because I believe like 50,000 plays, that's like 500 for something. So that's definitely $1,000 on Apple Music. So let me pause that. Y'all can go check that out. Everybody's saying that jump fire. But, I just rap for fun. But, yeah. I would have got well over $1,000 if this was Apple. So, I was saying that to say, should you monetize your shit on SoundCloud? Yes, I think you should. Just to get that back end money. You may have your biggest following on SoundCloud. Like on SoundCloud, I get, in the last 24 hours, I got 2,600 plays. So, I got a decent following on SoundCloud, so I am going to monetize it. But it pay like YouTube pay. Like YouTube, see my YouTube back end. Like, it pay like how YouTube pay. Well, YouTube pay a little, because for 59,000 views, I got $100. So YouTube pay a little better than SoundCloud, but I feel like charging everybody $8 a month, they'll be able to increase the payout percentage in the future. So if you do have a SoundCloud account, you got a good following, go ahead and join the Pro Monetization, the Premier Monetization platform. You get paid for your plays, why not? And they paying out, as you can see. SoundCloud operations, that was for 150,000 streams. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.